Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. Today I'm going to explain to you a very beautiful strategy, and it's based on Bank Nifty Pair Trading. You can also call it as hedging. Okay, if you want to know if it is really beautiful, then stay tuned till the end of the video. I will show you how, without any tension, without any indicators, without any observation, without much looking into the screen, how you can place your trade and earn almost 300% returns every year. Yeah, so this is an hedging strategy. It's also a pair trading, and the pair which we are taking today are Nifty and Bank Nifty. So basically friends, two kind of people: those who are not able to guess the direction of the market, whether if it is trending, whether it is ranging, or whether it is bull market or bear market. If you are not able to identify the trend, then this strategy is suitable for you all. And people who are working, who are not able to look into the screen full time, then also this strategy is going to be useful to you all. So I will be providing when to enter, how to do the hedging, what is the stop loss to be kept, what is the money management rule, along with the back tested file, how I did the back test, and also the proofs, analysis, everything will be provided in this video. So stay tuned till end of the video, and don't forget to press the like button if you really like the video. And also friends, there are many of your friends and relatives who are in need of a very safe and hedging strategy. So please share it to them also, so that they can also make use of this strategy. Okay, so before going forward, as usual, this is the performance of my equity calls open trade last week, which I provided in the month of July starting. So in equity we were in profits. This is the performance of the week, and we were all in profit. And this is the performance of crude also we were in profit. So these are all the performance of one lot. So you just need 25 to 30,000 for trading one lot. So accordingly, if you have money management, you can make in multiples of 30,000 profit. And this is the performance of natural gas. So natural gas also we had very good performance, and we are all in profit in the month of July. So in case if you want to avail this open trade facility, you can just WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. And in case if you want to join Upstock or Zerodha, you can use a link which I provided in the description of this video, and you'll be getting 50% discount on my open trade services. Okay friends, so let us go forward to today's strategy. As I already told you, it's based on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Most of you would have observed that 99% of the time, you can't say 99, but 90% of the time, the direction of Nifty and Bank Nifty will be the same. Okay. So how to materialize this, how to make use of this facility? You can almost say that both are in pair, they move in the same direction. So how to make use of this facility and make good money out of it? Okay. So I will be using one of my old and very regular principle which I told you always, that is cut the losses and run the profits. So I will be showing you how to hedge it and what is the stop losses to be kept. Fine. Yeah. So the strategy entry is, as soon as the market opens at 9:15, you don't have to get the exact open price, because this is an hedging strategy. What you have to do is buy one lot of Bank Nifty, and then immediately you have to sell two lot of Nifty. Okay. So the benefit in this is, advantage in this is that since you are doing hedging, you don't have to take the exact open price. For example, after 5 minutes also if you are trading, don't wait for 5 minutes, but before that you place a trade. If you are waiting for 5 minutes also, the equal amount of Bank Nifty, the same number of Nifty also, points movement would have been done already. So there is no need for taking the exact open price. But the challenge is you have to place both the orders together. Bank Nifty and Nifty together you have to place. So you can go in any direction. You can do the vice versa also. You can buy Nifty and then you can sell Bank Nifty. But just for the reference sake, what I have done is I have sold one lot of Bank Nifty, and then I have bought one lot of Bank Nifty and have sold two lot of Nifty. This is what you have to do. This is what you have to do. Very simple, nothing more than this. So I will be showing you the Excel where I have done the analysis, so you get a better understanding. And also I have been testing it from past almost 2 to 3 weeks. Whenever I have seen my open trade, you can see that I have been trading in this. Okay. So the important criteria here is the stop loss and the profits. Don't keep targets for profit, but what I have to do is keep the stop loss. For Bank Nifty, the stop loss has to be 60 points, and for Nifty the stop loss has to be 30 points. So since you're trading in Nifty in 2 lots, it will end up in 60 points. So you'll be hedging both. Okay. So it so happens that very rarely in both you will hit the stop losses, but most of the time when one hit the stop loss, in other you will be making profit, thereby you will be hedging your losses. So friends, this is what is meant by hedging. The loss which you are making in one will be you can covered up by the profit in the other. Okay, so thereby what happens is the loss won't be huge, and also most of the days you will be ending up in profit. But this is very important. This is done based on the true ranges. Keep Bank Nifty 60 points as stop loss and keep Nifty as 30 points stop loss. And then target you to run the profits. Now I'll take you to the Excel so that you will get a better understanding. Yeah friends. So in the left side you can find the Nifty. I have mentioned it as Nifty. I'll make it little brighter. And this is my Bank Nifty to the right. Fine. So I have taken data from 1st of Jan. So as I told you, we are selling Nifty and we are buying Bank Nifty. Okay. So market opened at 10,532 and then it has closed at 10,436. Thereby you are getting a profit of 96. Since we are selling Nifty, you are getting 96 points profit. Whereas Bank Nifty, what has happened, 25,566 it has opened, and you can see that our stop loss is hit. You can see a column here as maximum loss. Why I have taken is that many times you people will be wondering what in case if the stop loss hits and if it comes back. That is why I have taken the maximum loss just happened on that particular day. So in case if it is market is going against us or if there is fluctuation also, I have taken those consideration. Okay, so you can see whenever only if it is less than 30 only I have taken the profits, otherwise I have not taken the profits. Even if it has hit minus 43, I have taken as minus 30. Even minus 31 also is taken as minus 30. So hope you understood this. Okay, so what has happened here is Nifty single point has given us a profit of 96 and Bank Nifty single lot has given us a lot of minus 60. So when you are taking the total, you can see here I have multiplied Nifty 2 times, that is F3 into 2. F3 is this, you can see that. Okay, so let me open the formula once again. F3 into 2, that is 2 times of Nifty and 1 time of N3. N3 is this. Okay, Bank Nifty. So thereby total is 132 points profit. Friends, hope you understood. It is very simple. Even any novice, any beginner who don't know how to guess the direction, who don't know how to use the indicators, who don't have much experience can easily use this strategy. Morning, keep alarm at 9:15. Immediately place a cover order. I would suggest use a cover order because the margin required also be very less in cover order, and also you don't have to look into the screen again and again. You just have to simply blindly buy Bank Nifty, keep a stop loss of 60 and buy Bank Nifty at market order. Immediately, not wasting your time, within seconds, you have to place cover order, market order for for Nifty. Sell it with 2 lots. That's it. Done. Once it's done, keep stop. Obviously in your cover order there will be stop. It will ask for stop loss. You have to keep 30 points for Nifty and 60 points for Bank Nifty. Then close your system. Enjoy the day. End of the day, you just have to see the results. And let me just show you the results. It's very astonishing. Okay, 3,505 friends. Let me just come down. This is only till the latest data, that is July 5th, and you can see the result. The profit is 3,505. So let me just multiply 3,505 into the lot size of Nifty 75. If you see, also you can see 2,62,875. Friends, even if you remove the brokerages and all those things also, with an investment of 1 lakh, you easily made 2 lakh by half of the year. Another 1 more half year is pending. Same thing I've done for even 2017 also analyzed, and the results are very beautiful. So don't worry, you can also test yourself, paper trade yourself, and then just see the results. Then once if you feel confident for 1 week, start implementing yourself. So in pair trading, I will come out with many more pairs which you can do like this kind of very safe hedging. As of now, you can start with Nifty and Bank Nifty. You can do it in futures. Take the latest month features always. Okay, as simple as that. So let me just finish off the presentation. As I already told you, the stop loss is very clear. Okay, so that's it, friends. So if you really like the video, if you really like the concept, then don't forget to press the like button. And if you're watching the video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe the channel. You'll be getting lots of videos, lots of knowledge, and very enlightening and very useful videos and strategies. And also, all my strategies are with backtested reports. If you want this report, you can do it yourself, or in case if you have doubts, you can just WhatsApp on my number and take this file from me. Number is 8095876525. And many people will ask me whether we can do it on options. Yes, friends, you can do it on options also, but I would recommend options only for people who are used to it, who are got habit of it, who are tried it out for 1 month or at least 2 months. Without which, don't enter into options. As of now, you can do it with features. And in case if you're joining Upstock and Zerodha, with the link provided in the description, you will get 50% discount. So avail those facilities also. And as I already showed you, if you want to make use of the open trade facility, you can also then WhatsApp on my number and take it. Okay friends, thank you and have a nice day.